Hi, I'm Shelly Stone, choreographer of the new line dance called Doublewide. It is a 32 count, 4-wall line dance with 2 V-starts and 1 tag. The dance is danced to a song with the same name, Doublewide by Gabriella Rose. I'm going to go ahead and dance a wall or two and then we'll get started.
I like good old-fashioned country music, something with a beat. I like a tall, mean man with blue cases on his feet. I like the crackle of a bonfire or a big old mountainside. I like my trailer like you like your winning new double wide. I put Betsy Ross over my bed frame, put Jesus on my dash, drop a big bone steak on my trailer, sing to the man in white, put a book through an old beer can, and then with the real nice step, right now like I like my country music good, big and rich. I got more than that fish out my blood and day and day. I'm just
Alright, let's get started. Weight is going to be on our left foot. We're going to double stomp on our right foot. Stomp, stomp. From here we're going to step heel and toe and heel and walk with a shuffle forward on the left. So again, that goes stomp and heel and toe and heel and walk, shuffle forward. One more time with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, moving on. We're going to step with our right over our left shoulder. So a quarter turn. We're stepping side. Cross behind, ball heel, ball cross. We step left, tap our right toe behind, and unwind with another left step. So, again, 7, 8, it's side behind, ball heel, ball cross, step, unwind, step. One more time with counts. And 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put those 2 8s together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp and heel and toe and heel and walk. Shuffle forward, side behind, ball heel, ball cross, step, unwind, step. Adding on our third 8. We're going right heel, right toe behind, left toe behind. Step forward left with a half pivot and shuffle forward. Okay? Again, that goes heel and toe, half pivot, shuffle forward. With counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Adding that, we now have 3 8s. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp and heel and walk, shuffle forward, side behind, ball heel, ball cross, step, unwind, step. Heel and toe, half pivot, shuffle forward. Our final 8, we're going to do 2 half pivots, so step forward right, half, we're going to stop right, and then left hip roll with a left hip pop. So, again, 7, 8, it's half pivot, stomp, hip, roll, pop. Once more with counts, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's take it from the top all the way through. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp and heel and walk. Shuffle forward, side behind. Ball heel, ball cross, step, unwind, step. Heel and toe. Half pivot, shuffle. Half pivot, stomp, hip, roll, pop. New wall with counts. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, back wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp and heel and toe and heel and walk. Shuffle forward, side, behind, ball, heel, ball, cross. Step, unwind, step. Heel and toe, half pivot, shuffle, half pivot, stomp, hip, roll, pop. Okay, bringing us to all four. We're going to have our first restart. We dance the first 16 counts. We're going to be facing 6 o'clock when we restart the dance. So 16 counts in, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp and heel and toe, heel and walk, shuffle, side, behind, ball, heel, ball, cross, step, unwind, restart. Stomp and heel and toe, heel and walk, shuffle, behind, ball, heel, ball, cross, step, unwind, step, heel, toe, half, pivot, shuffle, half, stomp, hip, roll, pop. Okay, our tag is going to take place on wall 9. We will also be facing 6 o'clock. Sorry, I forgot what I'm saying. So we are going to dance only 8 counts of this wall before our tag. First thing to know about wall 9 is the music slows way down, okay? So we're dancing the same 8 counts, but we're going to slow them down. After 8 counts, we're going to add our tag, which is simply a cross and full turn. Okay, weight is going to transfer to your left. So we're going to do that nice and slow. And 7, 8, it goes stomp and heel and toe, heel and walk, shuffle, cross, unwind. Now, when we restart the dance, this is our second restart, the tempo of the music pops back up again. So right after that tag, we're going right back to regular speed, actually slightly faster. And we're going to stomp and heel and toe and heel and walk, shuffle, side, behind, ball, heel, ball, cross, step, unwind, step, heel and toe, half, pivot, shuffle, half, stomp, hip, roll, pop. All right, so that's that. Please watch one of the demos that are also on this site, and I hope to see you on the dance floor dancing my dance. Thank you so much.